taking my pants off. Hi, it's Kathleen, and this week I'm on vacation, baby. I've got the whole week off, and my only plan is to explore antique shops and thrift stores. So in my quest to discover new places to antique and thrift, I discovered just the cutest little Stars Hollow-esque Main Street section that I didn't even know existed. Look at this. Does it get any cuter than this? No, I don't think so. Anyways, there's an antique store across the street, so let's go check it out. Also, it is raining, so I grabbed my bucket hat, but just kidding, it's actually Gus's fishing hat. Oops, let's go. This kind of reminds me of the glove stretcher that I showed in last week's video that I thought would be a cool jewelry holder. Interesting. This bedspread is incredible. Look at all these fun colors. This would be so great to keep on your desk to take notes. There's even a little spot for a pencil. I'm seriously like in my happy place right now. There's so many just little cute things to dig through. Let's see what we can find. Nothing really struck my fancy in there besides that one like receipt / note-taking roll thing. So I keep thinking about that. Let's go grab some lunch, and then I think there's like a 60s, 70s vintage store around the corner. So we'll do that afterwards. We got a lavender cold brew, and this is just the best vacation ever. So I was gonna head home after our antiquing and vintage shop adventure, but then I realized that one of my favorite thrift stores was a whole 6 minutes away, so that's where we are now. Let's take a quick spin, see if we can find anything juicy, and keep this thrift train rolling. Okay, let's go. Are you ready? Do you have your little drink and a little snack? You deserve it. Okay, well, you go get that. I'm gonna head into the thrift store. We're in my favorite section, the two-piece sets. Look at this power color. I think this is linen. It's like pretty straight cut, So I feel like it would have a nice comfy fit, but you could definitely dress it up, make it more editorial, just depending how you stylize it. So let's stylize style. Let's try it. Why are these pajamas $25? I don't even want to know, actually. This is a two-piece, but I don't know where the other piece is. I feel like it would be so cute. This is a cute little pajama set with silky shorts. Too small for me, but adorable. So no luck in the shoes, but I did find a $4 Kindle. Definitely gonna get that. Alright, there's no dressing rooms here, so I'm gonna show you what I've picked out. Spoiler alert, it's a lot of black skirts. I'm hoping one fits. And we'll go from there. Hopefully I don't flash anybody. Got these like cute, silky pajama pants. Shorts. Try them over my pants, see if they fit. I shouldn't have worn my literal bulkiest pants today. This is gonna look crazy. I mean, they fit. What a look. Put this dress on and then I took my pants off, so now I can try on skirts. Maybe. Taking my pants off. Found this long vintage one. I think that's gonna be too small. I'm not even gonna try it. This one's too small as well. It was like a little beach cover-up. And vintage. Someone else will look great in it. The last skirt I have is what I'm pretty sure is a fake Burberry skirt. But either way, it's too small and kind of a mess. So we'll pass on that. That's where I put all my haters. Just kidding, I don't have any haters. I'm back. Would you like to see what I got at the thrift store? We'll start with what I got from the last vintage store, the more 60s, 70s vibes one. This really cool little desk organizer made of cork. And she do be spinning. I've never seen anything like this before. There's some push pins stuck in it, which makes me think that people like pinned photos to this or little notes, but I kind of just like the cork as it is. It is my dream to one day have cork flooring. So cool. And sustainable. I just think this is so wacky, kind of weird, kind of ugly, but like in a good way. And it's so strange because I went to another antique store yesterday in like the middle of nowhere, Ohio, and I found the twin for this, but it's a sphere instead of a square. And I left it there, and I don't know why. I should have bought it, but it is like 2 hours away. So we're just gonna call that a mistake, own it, and move on. Why did it get so dark in here? All right, on to the stuff that I found at the thrift store. I found this sweet, simple leather purse. Features a really deep navy color, and I got this with the intention of painting on it. Y'all seem to like my painting on leather purses video, and you asked for more weapon purses, so. Oh, it's bright. You'll find a weapon painted on a purse near you soon. Ah, it burns. Next, I found the cute little pleated tennis skirt of my dreams. Already covered in dog hair. What else is new? I haven't been much into short skirts recently, but I love the idea of these little pleats sticking out the bottom of a little sweater, a little academic look. And also, I thought I might pair it with this next thing that I found. Leather vest of dreams? I mean, this leather vest has so many possibilities. It has boning going up the side, so there's some built-in structure. It almost has a corset-y feel, especially because of the closures here in the front, and it ties all the way up the back. So you could wear this layered, you could wear it on its own. Let me show you real quick how I would probably style it with the skirt. Okay, this is what I was imagining when I got this vest and this skirt. A little black and white quasi-academic moment, but also a little rebellious. Like maybe I ride a moped to and from school. That's pretty BA, right? But now that I'm looking at it, it almost feels a little like I'm Disney bounding as Han Solo, which isn't bad, just not exactly what I was going for. So I was also thinking that you could pair this more edgy vest on top of a more feminine dress. Let's try that. But this skirt is cute, right? It's like the perfect length. I would definitely wear shorts underneath. Because sometimes you just have the urge to do a somersault when you're out in public. I need to have that freedom baked into my outfit. Okay, let's try on a dress. Got this big flowy dress thrifted. I think it's from ASOS originally, with the vest on top. But we could also maybe cinch this vest a little bit and use it to create some shape. This is fun, but I think this is my favorite way to style it so far. More of like an open, structural, sculptural moment. Am I fashion? Okay, let me show you what else I got. I was thinking to myself, I'm trying to be a kooky art aunt to my nieces and nephews. And what kooky art aunt does not have dress-up clothes for their nieces and nephews? So this is the start of my dress-up collection. It's a little junior park ranger for the Grand Canyon National Park vest. Kids love nothing more than an abundance of pockets. And we have that in common. Also, my dad's a park ranger, so I think this will be a hit. Will this fit me? Let's try it on. Okay, what's next? Ooh, I found some miscellaneous home goods. I'm trying to have a candlelit garden dinner before the end of the summer, so what candlelit dinner would not be complete without some candles to get lit? I found this bag of shoelaces, and they kind of look like hiking boot laces, which I think would be really cool to pair with like some sneakers. These blue laces are calling my name. And last, I found a Kindle for $4. You know I already got it set up. Any Mistborn fans out there? Ooh! I actually already read this series. I don't know why this is showing up on the screen. This is the perfect cool girl summer accessory. And if you have any book recommendations, let me know. I just finished the Silo trilogy, which filled the void that Severance left in my life. So if you liked Severance, you might like the Silo. It's different, but kind of the same. Same, but different, you know? And now I'm reading A Court of Thorns and Roses. I gotta say, I like those fairies. And I think there's only one more thing to show you. A bright blue linen two-piece summer set, baby. I'm a sucker for a two-piece set. I'm a sucker for linen. I'm a sucker for this power color of blue. However, after I bought this and brought it home and saw how it looked on me, I thought, this looks really similar to the Big Bud Press coveralls that I have. I don't know if I need two shapeless blue suits. So here's what I'm thinking. Next week's video, let's do something with this. Let's DIY it. Maybe I'll try some tie-dye. Maybe I'll paint on it a little bit. I like how it fits. I don't want to mess up the integrity, but I do want to add a little bit of pizzazz to it. So if that sounds interesting, then stick around till next week and we'll get into some trouble with this blue suit. And speaking of next week's video, I'm anticipating some peaceful time lapses in that video, and I thought it might be a good opportunity to answer some questions. I've never done a Q&A video on my channel. I don't know how interested you are to know my A's to your Q's. But if you have questions for me, whether it's about thrifting, style, art, life, clowns, then leave them down in the comments and I'll answer a few next week. I'm also gonna ask on Instagram for questions, so if you'd rather do it there, you can follow me at kathleenillustrated. I forgot I was still wearing this vest. I'm just gonna keep it on. And if DIY videos are interesting to you, then might I interest you in this one? Or a whole playlist of thrifting videos. I have over 40 videos now. That is a back catalog, I would say, certifiably. I think that's all I have to say. So I hope you have a great week. I'll be back next Sunday. Get those questions in the comments. It's getting really dark outside. Okay, did I say I love you? I love you. Bye.